Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact GoPuff support because if you have an order issue, a payment problem, or you just need help fast, the easiest way is right inside the app. So the first thing you're going to do is open the GoPuff app and make sure you're signed in. Then at the bottom right-hand corner, you're going to tap Account. Next, you're going to scroll until you find the Help option, and you're going to tap that. From there, you can start a support conversation. GoPuff routes customer service through the help section in this app. So you can either look through the FAQs or start a conversation through the chat there. If you can't get into the app at all, you can also go to GoPuff's Help Center online and contact support from there. And that's honestly the best and easiest way I know how to do it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually contact GoPuff support, let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.